evil air permeates this forest. I had best find this priestess Sakara quickly.
Help! Get this thing off me!
Come closer.
My daughter.
I will try. Can you tell me?
These women, back on when they attacked the town, they summoned these terrible vines. I tried. Here. It's all in this letter. Bring it.
Discarded clothing and another emaciated body. Too old to be the man's daughter. The body is cold, drained of blood. What could have done this so quickly? That ability must recharge. Blood trail. Please don't be the girl. The vine was feeding on the corpse. They're draining this village of its blood. What?
Someone help! Please! I can't open the door! Father? Are you there? Who's out there?
Alyssa, I'm going to get you out of there. Not yet.
Who are you? Where is Father?
I'm a friend. Your father, he didn't...
Leave? No! I'm not leaving. My father told me to stay here.
Alyssa, your father is dead. His last request was...
You really did see him, didn't you?
All right, but stay close. We are still in grave danger.
The camp is this way. Follow me.
More of those peasants! They're fleeing from the village!
Alyssa, get back! Let me fight them! Are you all right? Did she hurt?
No, I'm okay. I'm sorry, I didn't know what to do. They killed my father.
You are not nothing. We will ensure those women pay for what they did.
Help! The vines have me!
Do not fear. We will fight back these traitors together. No time to rest yet, stranger. More are coming.
Is that all of them?
Yes, but remain alert. We are close to their den. My rogues and I will continue the pursuit. Huh? Stop her! A cruel fate for one so young. I knew the girl's father. And since you were with her, I take it he did not survive either.
I am a priest of Rathma. I came here seeking a priestess, and have found only carnage and loss. You must be cautious.
Let me see it, Outlander. Lucian, sadly.
Commander, Locri's forces ambushed us. The Bloodsworn retreated into the overgrown village, but our number...
Flavi, order the rogues to pull back. Get the injured to the battle camp, and bury the dead. As for you, Outlander, it appears you have the honor of heading in first. Once Flavi... Considering you fought your way through that village, I doubt you will miss me too severely. Go.
Gladly.
The enemy's den lies beyond the felled tree. Take caution. The Bloodsworn are not to be trifled with.
The rogues were outnumbered, but fought well. I will finish their fight.
I did not expect much kindness was left in these.
You're welcome. So far, you are the only prisoner I've...
They were torturing me. Wanted me to join their perverse cause. That scene you saw outside.
Kasia, you've missed the excitement. Lockery and her retinue captured this druid. He's been...
Yes, he's lost a lot of blood. Our friend here will not survive long.
I have gotten this far on my own.
You Outlanders seem to love surprising me. Fine. Very well. Go and deal with Locke. May the Great Eye watch over you.
Mistress, I've done as you asked. The blood of every man, woman, and child in Blackstone runs through your veins.
Yet it is not enough. I must be whole once more. Hasten your efforts, lest you lose my favor.
land has always belonged to her. She will ensure you remember those you have forgotten.
Lockery escaped. Kasia will need to know about this. You there? Where is Kasia?
Oh, she left for the battle camp a while ago. Had a druid in tow. Bleeding everywhere. Head east through the woods to find the camp, but be careful. Demons plague it.
For your help. The Fallen have grown much more aggressive as of late. Kasia asked me to wait for you.
You're welcome, Leanne.
It's not far. Keep going down this road and you'll find Kasia inside the camp. Oh, and maybe you can kill a few more.
Ah, you've returned. I trust you bring...
Some. The Bloodsworn were driven from...
I see. Still, you've done well. This was never truly your fight, Outlander. If I remember, go to her. And show respect, hmm? She may be the High Priestess of the Sisters of the Sightless Eye.
Priestess Akara, it is an honor. I've come with a dire request. Elder Cain and Chassi believed you could help us find...
A shard of the World Stone? Interesting. That certainly could be the source of... As you have undoubtedly seen, the Dark Wood suffers at the hands of the Bloodsworn. Their leader, Lockery, was once part of the Sisterhood, until her heart... A World Stone shard could be the source of the new power they have acquired. Years ago, Deckard Cain left me with a gift. A tome of her... On your way to this camp, you killed several of those fallen demons, did you not? Follow me if you would. Inspect the tome placed upon the altar. Let it reveal its secrets to you. The Horadric bestiary is yours. As you defeat the monsters of this world, their essence will provide you both strength when you have collected enough. Now then, we must return to the task at hand. If you are to find your world stone shard, Hemlia, your rescuer has returned.
Ah, you're back. Good.
It was the least I could do.
Aye, 'tis. And how I miss Tuadulra. The dead tree teems with old magic. The bark whispered to me of a way to cleanse this corruption. And we must acquire native reagents. A crimson arax giant eye, a thorn from the largest of those blood flowers, and a branch of the darkest wood. Now, the spike...
To the north. Yes, this looks exactly like the place a giant spider would hide. That's done then. Next is the Bloodflower's thorn. Hemlia seemed to think it was close. Perhaps these wretched vines will lead me to it. Grow thicker to the west. Huh. There we are. Where there is a blood flower of that size, there are surely thorns.
These lives you value are...
The thorn is mine, coated in the blood of the enemy. Emlia spoke of a branch of dark wood. The largest trees are to the south. I should start there.
Fear not the end!
That rumbling. Something is coming. That scent. A bonfire. That would be the source of blackened wood. That's not my kind. All three components. I pray the druid is well enough to perform his ritual.
You've done it! Ribs a little too. It failed. I don't understand.
What happened? Did we get something?
No. The ritual should have worked. Each piece represents a part of the Dark Woods condition. Akara, we could use your help.
Could you now? It is nice to know. Yes, a woman. Her wicked desires have perverted the nature of these woods. Only a magic equally as dark can bind your ritual.
We would be blind without your wisdom, Akara. Well, on my way to the Great Tree, I encountered a camp of cultists. If we're seeking a source...
Very well.
No need to keep running around. Just meet at the Tree of Innovus. With all four... Oh, before you go, I asked Hess to make something for you. But you need to grab it yourself.
What do you need? There you are. Just finished this. Here, all yours. Sure. Come on back if you need something.
cultists are the same ones who attacked Wortham. They must also be seeking the shard.
Your master wishes to speak?
Shall have whatever your heart desires.
My heart only desires one thing, and your precious fragment is hers.
Deliver the stone, or the burning hell will cleanse this world. Your mistress need it.
If you had such power, you'd be taking the stone, not asking for it. You have your answer. With the stone's power, even hell cannot stop her.
The World Stone Shard is with Lakri's mistress. The rogues and I will need to work together to face such power. Ember of the burning hells. It smolders with dark magic. I hope it will be enough. To the tree, then. Bloodsworn are attacking. Hemlia, hold fast! I'm coming! You're all right. Good.
And with good reason. The damned Bloodsworn are giving us precious little. Now, this ritual will bring...
Do what you must.
There at the tree, just as Lakri said. Kill them!
Are mine.
The tree, it's guiding my sight. I see the darkness infecting this land.
Hemlia, your face, it's...
Did I not warn this kind of magic scars? Eh? No, we can't. Have your bargain, Inibus. Banish the corruption infecting this wood and its people, as promised. What's happening? It should have worked. Inside me, pulling the corruption. Friend, you must destroy it. It can be purged.
right.
It is, but there is no cause for celebration. A blight seeps from the forgotten tower. At its roots lies a woman in a pool. The vines whisper to me. They tell me of an abomination.
I have to alert the sisters of the sun.
You will have your chance. The plants tell me.
Enough. We're getting you out of here.
No, you're not. Not if you wish to kill the Blood Rose. As long as it feeds her blood.